My first contact with the volcano was very impressive. The ash was very dark and dry, and when you touch it, it makes a special sound in the finger. If it rains, the floor stays dry.
This was a great day. We had a nice filming, and now the volcano said hello to us. One small explosion, and a big one. Today was over. We finished the last interview and we were packing everything. But I had the last wish. I wanted to go down the volcano until the city. It's a very nice ride. So I spoke to the director and all the team, and they agreed to put a camera in the car and a GoPro on the shoulder. And we went down the mountain from the top to the down. The night was coming. It was already very dark. The GoPro is very good. It gives lots of light. We can see the red light in the helmet. I check where is the following car, if it's far away. And you see, it needs time to catch up a little bit. It's so dark that I need to open my visor. And it's cold. My eyes start to cry. We have wonderful lines. The good thing with a volcano is that it's a cone, so the slope around the volcano is very regular. That means the roads have also a very regular degree, so the speed is quite constant. I always check what's coming behind. A few seconds watching behind is a 300-meter burst. It's very dangerous. And the car have to accelerate a lot. There is some great happiness. You can hear it. With a constant speed, it really gives the sensation of flying. It reminds me when we were going down the Fujiyama. The same flying sensation. Like hypnotics. There were only a few breaks. The difficulty is to know what is behind the slope, because I can't see if it's a right turn or a left turn. So it's almost last moment where I see this is a left. Braking, checking where the car is, that I don't crash it, don't go too much on the left. And then straight again, accelerating again. The quality of the street is not regular. Sometimes pavement is very good and sometimes there is some heavy cracks, very tough. The problem is I discovered that only at the last moment. I had only 3 times to see the street. The first day, the morning, and the last time at the evening. So I don't know the street by heart. I have to discover it. And at this speed, we should make no mistake. I love this line. The car has trouble to catch up. They have to make a break. Now I'm alone. Cracks on the road. The landscape, beautiful. The car tried to catch up again. I check if the GoPro is still running. As high as we are on the mountain, as much we have light. As long as we go down, the light is going down because we are going to hide with the shadow of the mountain. And also, when the trees are coming, it makes more shadow, so it's more dark, more difficult to see. So I'm quite worried. I see now that when we go deeper in the valley, we can't see so much landscape, so it's more difficult to see the street. I know that the back part of the street is very dirty. There's lots of branches,
Dead vegetables on the floor.
so I have to take care to stop before we really get into the forest. I enjoyed the last ride. Now the car is behind me and you can see the light of the car making shadow on the street.
I am very confident with this rolling armor. It's excellent. The choice of the bearings, the choice of the wheels is excellent. I feel so comfortable inside. I could ride hours more.
Small braking, curve, flying down the mountain. When I was young, I saw a book about the Etna. It was Etna on fire, when the volcano really speaks.
When the Etna exploded, the clouds came over us. It was a cloud of dust. After a few seconds, it was raining on us. Small sand of ash, making such a sound. Now we can see trash on the floor.
It's time to brake. Let's stop to take risk and finish the day. This was a great downhill. Etna on fire. I've been riding the volcano. Thanks the team. Thanks Nissan. Thanks SEBA skate, HMA helmet and Matter wheels.
My dream is to go on every big volcano in the world. I hope I can make video about that.
See you next time with Rollerman, buggy-rollin channel. Bye bye.